Ja, we are on the Permaculture garden of Lebensgarten Steyerberg, and this is an example of permaculture. This is the garden of Jean-Philippe Genetier, and he is combining trees and field fruits. And the idea is that the very sandy soil here will be improved by trees. While the trees are also productive with growing fruit, they would also push roots that grow into the soil. So these are still young, but they will grow bigger, and then the roots are meant to improve the soil. In the fields, Jean-Philippe is making polyculture, so he combines those plants that are good neighbors. It's quite a challenge to find out good neighbors. The knowledge is not all there. It's a lot of trying things and learning. But it's the idea what is also making use of the interaction of plants, that the plants can communicate and they can exchange well, things they need. And if you have different plants side by side, they can support each other, while if you have monoculture, that would not happen. So you would lose all those things that are synergistic in nature. And the other big synergy is the tree and field fruit. And this is something where in France there is scientific research, so these techniques are old. The combination of trees and other crops are very, very common throughout the history. And this type of forest gardening is something that is, well, according to scientific research, giving 1.5 times the total yield of all the crops compared to only tree plantations or only field fruits. So this is a very nice approach. And also between the rows, so there's fruit trees and there are shrubs in between, and herbs, strawberries and so on. So this is a type of polyculture that seems to work very well.